Hi. In this episode, we'll talk about how you can deal with corporate different issues and how you can achieve the growth. Uh, I'll put my perspective in this particular episode, and let's see if we can get some insightful thoughts to deal with your corporate issues and all. So, see, the first thing is I would like to tell you, see, do not participate in any corporate politics or any issues as such which may harm to your career. Second, see, avoid office masala gossips which will not help you at all to grow. All right. Third, I would say do not expect that your managers they'll support you to grow. See, you have been hired to manage a business, client, product, process. So your responsibility is to manage that only, and your manager hired to oversight your work and to deal with clients. So if you expect everything from your managers, then it will not help you at all, because see, it's your career. So why you want to expect something from your manager? Because manager is not binding to support you. Manager has different roles and responsibilities. You have different roles and responsibilities. Manager has different SLA. You have different SLA. So why you are expecting everything from your manager? So don't expect that. All right, because manager is getting paid to manage business, not to support you or to push you to grow. So you should only expect everything from yourself. All right. Apart from this, see, do not, I would say, participate in any arguments or any groups or anything as such, because that happens sometime, people create a group against managers, this and that, because that goes against, because see, you don't know, guys, how your manager is strong. Maybe, let's say, manager has a good connections with HR, your, let's say, super boss, he can easily deal with all of that. But ultimately, you would be in a spot. Then it will affect on your, because ultimately career. So don't do this. Apart from this, always record your whatever one-on-one communications happen with your managers, HRs, or anyone. Always record that through email communications. After one-on-one discussion, you can share that email with manager and ask them to acknowledge it. The reason is, if something happened, so that email works like, the document trails works like legal proof as well, and that will only save you to deal with corporate issues. Apart from that, see, if you don't know how to play politics, that's fine, learn it. And even if you don't want to learn it, then just ignore it. Don't be a part of any juicy discussions and all. See, it's a very dangerous thing, okay? And it can harm to your career. So don't do this. Apart from this, don't expect too much from your company. Just the workplace. Do not find any comfort zone or culture, best culture at workplace. It's just a workplace. Keep it as a workplace. Culture and everything, I would say, just find maybe outside or maybe at your home. So don't find everything there. Apart from this, don't share any your personal information with work work colleagues. The reason is they are not your friends, even nor they are your the family mates and all. Every working professionals, they have their different ambitions, vision. They have their own things. So don't get too much acquainted or too much don't get too much infatuated with office mates. Don't do this. Again, it will impact on your career only. And apart from this, only focus on performance, not on politics. Right? Do not focus on overthinking. Just focus on like problems, like how you can solve it. Even if you have 100 problems in your, let's say, career, daily, if you just focus on one problem and if you try to resolve it out within 100 days time span, you can resolve 100 different problems. So think about that and change your perspective, change your approach. Find out like why they have hired you, maybe to manage client, product, process, business. Think about that. Only that will help you. And see, I would say, like, you should always look for like how you can learn new things, because see guys, up to 1 year, 2 year, 3 or 4 year, whatever it is, times that you spend with your current organization, after that your current day to day activities, it will not help you to grow. Or only your knowledge and additional learning will only that will help you to grow, because on the basis of that things only you can sell yourself in the market to get a new job and new opportunities. So focus on learning, not on people. All right. Focus on your skills, not on your managers and other things. Focus on self learning, how you can achieve, let's say, weekly goals, bi-weekly goals, monthly goals, and say it. Because learning only will help you to sustain in this corporate. And apart from this, always keep a tab on different news, market insights, new trend, market size. Look for all of that. So that's how, if you just follow this principles, definitely you can grow. And yes, see, when we say in a company, it's a workplace. All people have their different things. We all are from different, let's say, cultures, different religions, different things. So it's very difficult to come at same level and think from only the same perspective. It's very difficult. So we should also understand that perspective as well. And apart from this, I would say, see guys, one more thing which I have understood: 90% business leaders, managers, they are not capable to deal with criticism. Even they don't know how to deal with biasness and unbiasedness. And that's what, if you criticize maybe directly or indirectly, maybe intentionally, unintentionally, it may harm to your career. So don't do this, because that's what I said. Managers, they have their different connections within your team or projects. They can utilize that against you only. All right. And yeah, so always see how you can contribute, encourage others as well to do best things. So do not spread any negative things or ruckus or rumor between people. So that will again that will affect on your career only. And yeah, so see how you can, and see, find a way like how you can contribute new things and capitalize that for your maybe appraisals, hike, annual hikes and all. And see, always try to see negotiate, means how you can, if you are like good negotiator, then you can pay, they can pay well, or you can earn also well. And see, yeah, that's all. If you just follow all of these things, then definitely you can grow in corporate. All right. That's all I just wanted to say. And if you like this, you can share this with your friends as well. Let them also understand this. And one more thing, at last, I just wanted to tell you, if you are a fresher, okay, so or maybe let's say if you are new to this any company, maybe to your manager or team, do not expect too much things from them. Don't. Because see, culture, people, whatever that you are expecting, is just your, I would say it's, तुम्हारा just वहम है, which is not something really required, because it's a workplace. Since it is a workplace, so see how you can learn process, projects, product, business, so that you can execute well and you can manage. See, if your performance is good, everyone will support you. If your performance is not good, then no one will support you. So focus on that only. So do not get engaged with any other activities and all. All right. And yeah, if you need any personal consulting, mentoring, coaching, anything as such, I'll provide you, my link, so you can book the appointment directly with me to discuss any problems, whatever problems that you have, including like, when you can, look for your job change, maybe how you can plan your career, how you can upskill, whatever it is. If you want to discuss anything means anything, just book appointment with me directly. I'll be there, so we can discuss on your issues, and definitely, we can work in a better way. So, all right. So, thank you guys. Thank you for watching this. We'll see you in next episode on different topic. And if you have any suggestions, so please provide that in comment section. So I'll record that video on that as well. So thank you for watching this. We'll see you in next episode.